Hey, Will here again, and today I'm going to be experimenting with using this aloe plant that I picked up from the Kroger by my house. And off the bat, it already is talking about this as a healing plant. I don't know if my camera's getting that very well. There it goes. But yeah, and already alluding to the fact that it's healthy for burns. And I also just recently read an interesting article about how it can also be used instead of like a mouthwash to help protect your gums and deal with dental plaque. But for the purposes of today, I will not be using it for such. But I will give it a taste and see how it tastes out. And so yeah, I'll get started cutting the plant. So cutting these off was actually pretty easy. They're pretty tender, and it actually wasn't what I expected when you can already see the juice, or gel rather, like coming directly out of the end. It's very thick and nice. But yeah, I'm curious to see how this might actually like work in my hair. But yeah, I'll go ahead and get started cutting it now. That was a little better. So from one plant alone, or one leaf rather, I've been able to get a fairly generous amount of the gel out of the leaf. It's interesting that it actually keeps its shape that it was had in the leaf itself. I'm not actually sure why, but it's actually pretty cool. I don't really like I guess the feel of it, and it's kind of hard to imagine putting this directly in my hair. The juice seems a little bit more of a practical idea, but I'll go ahead and put it in the blender just to see how it goes. So actually, you can see, I mean, same as if you wet my hair like anyway, like, it seems like it would be pretty good, like just to use for curling or something like that, but it's pretty cool. I don't really like the smell in this state, but yeah. I can put it in the blender though and see what happens. Okay. After having like grinded it, the smell of it is interesting to say the least. Yeah, so drinking it, yeah, I'm probably fine on that, but I'm still down to use it in my hair, so I'll give it a second just to pour and really filter itself through this filter, and after that, I'll try it in my hair. So from 2 individual leaves, I was able to obtain probably close to around 40 milliliters of juice. It's no longer viscous at all. It's pretty straight. The smell is still bad, but I guess if the worst comes to worst and my hair starts to smell bad, I'll just use something else in it to offset that smell. But yeah, I'm curious to see how. Actually, I kind of want to use it on my face as well, just to see what'll happen. I saw a couple videos after the one that was posted where a few women used it like for 5 days straight or something like that and applied it as a mask. And it did seem to clear up their skin, which I wouldn't say the change was substantial, but I mean, it was enough to recognize a change. So I'll give it a try. And thanks for watching.